Students, this is the next chapter for class 5. Class 5 Environmental Studies, Class 5 EVS, chapter Respect All Work. This is the new chapter. आज की क्लास में हम इस टॉपिक के बारे में पढ़ेंगे जो कि क्लास 5 का EVS का चैप्टर है, Respect All Work. In this chapter, we will learn about distinguish between occupation and profession. ऑक्यूपेशन और प्रोफेशन जो होते हैं इन दोनों के बीच का डिफरेंस देखेंगे. डिस्टिंग्विश बिटवीन ऑक्यूपेशन एंड प्रोफेशन. आइडेंटिफाई डिफरेंट कम्युनिटी हेल्पर्स. अलग अलग जो कम्युनिटी हेल्पर्स होते हैं उनके बारे में देखेंगे. हु आर कम्युनिटी हेल्पर्स. अप्रिशिएट द वर्क ऑफ सैनिटेशन वर्कर्स. दे आर वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट. एवरी वर्क is important for our social life. Be sensitized towards dignity of labor. We will understand about dignity of labor, the term dignity of labor. Now we will start the topic respect all work. First of all, occupation. What is meant by occupation? Occupation क्या होता है? Some people are skilled in the work that they do. कुछ लोग कुछ काम करते हैं और उसमें परफेक्ट होते हैं. They use their skill to earn a living. उस स्किल को यूज करके वे अर्निंग करते हैं, पैसा कमाते हैं. ये ऑक्यूपेशन कहलाता है. Some people are skilled in the work that they do. They use their skill to earn a living. Doing some kind of work to earn a living is called an occupation. कोई भी काम को करना जिससे कि मनी अर्न की जाती है, अर्निंग की जाती है, इसे हम ऑक्यूपेशन कहते हैं. डूइंग सम काइंड ऑफ वर्क टू अर्न अ लिविंग इज कॉल्ड एन ऑक्यूपेशन. टू अर्न अ लिविंग मीन्स टू फुलफिल आवर बेसिक नीड्स ऑफ फूड, क्लोथ्स एंड शेल्टर. फ्रॉम अर्निंग व्हाट वी डू, वी फुलफिल आवर बेसिक नीड्स. फ्रॉम अर्निंग what are the basic needs? The basic needs are food, clothes and shelter. People do different kinds of work to earn a living. लोग अलग अलग तरह के काम करते हैं जिससे कि उन्हें अर्निंग हो. Some of the common occupations are bus or cab driver, potter, newspaper seller, sweeper, gardener, security guard, grocer, greengrocer, and so on. Now the term profession. What is meant by profession? A profession is an occupation that requires special skills, knowledge, training and education. Students, we have learned about occupation. Occupation क्या था? Occupation कोई स्किल था जिसे हम अर्न के लिए यूज करते हैं. और प्रोफेशन क्या होता है? किसी स्किल को स्पेशली सीखा जाता है. प्रोफेशन, अ प्रोफेशन इज एन ऑक्यूपेशन दैट रिक्वायर्स स्पेशल स्किल्स, नॉलेज, ट्रेनिंग एंड एजुकेशन. सम ऑफ द कॉमन प्रोफेशंस आर टीचर, लॉयर, अकाउंटेंट, पायलट, डॉक्टर, नर्स, veterinarian, scientist and engineer. So these are the term occupation and profession. In the occupation, there is no need to any training, any school, any education. And in profession, there are some skills needed, knowledge, training, education is also needed. Now the next term, people who help us. Now children, we will understood about the term people who help us. जो लोग हमारी हेल्प करते हैं और they are very important for our social life and they are also called community helpers. We need people with all kinds of occupations and professions in our community. That is why they are called community helpers. They are also called community helpers. They provide us with different services. So these are called community helpers and they are very important for our society. They do work for our homes and society. We are dependent on these services for the proper functioning of our homes and society. So you can see here the picture: garbage collectors, sweeper, firefighter. These are community helpers Now next topic, sanitation workers. What is meant by sanitation workers? Sanitation workers such as sweepers, garbage collectors and sewage cleaners keep our surroundings clean and hygienic. जो sanitation workers होते हैं वे हमारे आसपास की जगहों को साफ रखने में हेल्प करते हैं. Their work involves handling garbage and sewage, but the work they do is good for our society and environment. It is very important work. All of us should treat the work of sanitation workers as essential as any other work and give them respect. सभी जो काम होते हैं वो बराबर होते हैं, सभी को रिस्पेक्ट देना चाहिए, कोई काम छोटा या बड़ा नहीं होता है. So all of us should treat the work of sanitation workers as essential. ये बहुत ही एसेंशियल वर्क है, जरूरी वर्क है. एज एनी अदर वर्क, जैसे कि दूसरे वर्क होते हैं. एंड गिव देम रिस्पेक्ट, वी शुड गिव देम रिस्पेक्ट. बैंडिकोट, अ सीवर एंड ड्रेन क्लीनिंग रोबोट. नाउ स्टूडेंट्स, वी विल read about a robot to make the work of the sanitation workers easier and save their lives. A technology company, Zen Robotics, developed a robot in early 2018. It is named Bandicoot. You can see here the picture. The Bandicoot robot is the world's first robotic sewer cleaner. It has a Wi-Fi, Bluetooth and control panel with artificial intelligence system. The AI enhances the working of 4 legs and a bucket system attached for scooping and collecting the waste. This is the picture. You can see the work is done by this robot. The AI enhances the working of 4 legs and a bucket system attached for scooping and collecting the waste. It is estimated that the robot can clean small sewer in 15 minutes and larger sewer in 45 minutes. Sanitation workers can be trained to operate the robot and earn a living. The founders of the company had shown the robot to India's 14th Prime Minister Narendra Modi in New Delhi in 2018. In 2020, they were awarded by the 13th Vice President of India, Venkaiah Naidu. The cleaning robots are used in some states as of now, and by looking at their success, they might get adopted in many more states. इस रोबोट की मदद से ये लोग इस तरह से काम को आसान कर पाते हैं और समय भी कम लगता है. Now dignity of labor. What is the meaning of dignity of labor? The word dignity means the state of being given honor and respect by people. Dignity means किसी भी person के लिए respect and honor, आदर की भावना. Dignity of labor means that all occupations must be valued and respected equally. सभी कामों को एक ही तरह से देखना जाना चाहिए, कोई काम छोटा या बड़ा नहीं होता है. No work should be considered inferior or superior. Mahatma Gandhi believed in dignity of labor and promoted it. He gave the name Harijans to the people who did menial jobs. He himself cleaned toilet, dignified the work of the sweepers. He persuaded everyone to do their own work and treat all work with equal respect. उन्होंने अपने कामों को खुद करने के लिए लोगों से कहा और सभी कामों को रिस्पेक्टफुल बताया कि सभी काम जो हैं वो आदर योग्य हैं, कोई भी काम छोटा बड़ा नहीं होता. We should not be ashamed of doing any manual labor. कोई भी काम करने के लिए हमें शर्म महसूस नहीं करनी चाहिए, सभी काम हमें अपने हाथों से खुद करना चाहिए. There are many people who provide us with essential services and the whole society depends upon them. It is our duty to appreciate and respect their work. 1st May is celebrated as International Labour Day every year. 1st मई को हर साल इंटरनेशनल लेबर डे मनाया जाता है.